In this video, let's explore the median indicator. What is it and how it could be used in both the popular and the common ways and those that are less common. So where do you find the median indicator and what it is? When you go to the indicator sections under the trend category, you would find the median indicator. By default, it comes in this way. Of course, you can define the style of the lines and the thickness of the lines. You can predefine the color. For example, I change to yellow. Visibility on what timeframes and what chart types you would be able to find this indicator, and if you want to add or deduct and remove any levels here. So by default, I go here, just change the color. If you want to change that, here on the left side, you would see the indicator. You go to the settings and you would be able to add the thickness, style, color, anything you would like. So this is how it looks like. The median is very simple. It's a median level, median zone of the available data of the candle, of the candles, the bars, which means high, low, divided by 2. As simple as that, and you get the price, the median price. So the classical way that the traders love to use this indicator is, of course, the direction of the indicator. When similar to the price, when you have swing highs and lows going to the downside, you are in a downtrend. When you have swings going to the upside, you are in an uptrend. As simple as that. Traders love to use that also, not just for the direction, but also for the momentum. When the slope is almost like vertical line here, you are in a strong momentum, and very likely after pullbacks, the trend will continue. On the other hand, when the slope is flat, and the market doesn't do much, does not create highs and lows in a sequence in any given direction, you are in a range, and very likely you would not be able to spot good opportunities there. Another way traders love to use that is crossovers, when after specific direction, specific price, and especially when the trend is clean and the momentum is pretty big, and pretty serious, when the price crosses below that and get the close below the median, traders love to get that as a strong sign. Here and here, for example, when the price changed and we got a close above the median, this is a strong sign usually for continuation. But there is one way that less common but yet powerful. It's to find kind of deviations, divergences, you can call that. Is, for example, when the price makes higher highs, but the median does not make higher highs, like lower highs, this is a sign of deviation. On the opposite way, when the median is making higher highs, but the price doesn't do that, this is a sign of deviation. For example, as you can see here at the end of this rally uptrend, as you can see, sequence of highs and lows going upside. Let me zoom in a little bit for you. In that case, we have higher highs on the median, but look what happens here with the price. The price does not manage to actually make it happen. So this is a deviation, and as soon as the price goes below the median line once again, this is a strong sign that something is wrong, and the mathematics behind the indicator and the indicator itself, the price and the indicator, show different direction. Usually it's a move to the opposite direction of the previous trend. If you want to change any of the settings or to remove the indicator, on the left top corner here, you would be able to access the settings, visibility of the indicator at any moment, and of course remove that from the chart.